Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making aloo parathas with mozzarella cheese. This aloo cheese paratha makes a wholesome breakfast or brunch. There are many varieties of parathas made, but this is our family favourite. This yummy combination of mozzarella and potatoes will give your taste buds pleasure with every bite. It's best to serve these parathas when they are hot, along with some yogurt, green chutney or ketchup. So what are we waiting for? We will need 6 medium-sized boiled potatoes, 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup plain flour, 1 teaspoon whole coriander seeds, we've crushed them a little bit, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1 red onion, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves, also known as kasturi methi, 50 grams of grated mozzarella, 1 teaspoon of a chili paste, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of a ginger paste. Now we're going to take our blender and we're going to start making our dough. We want this dough to be like a chapati's dough, not too soft and not too hard. So we're going to add in our plain flour with our whole wheat flour, salt. We're going to leave half of it for later. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of our cooking oil and leave the rest of it for later. 50 to 70 ml of water to combine all our ingredients. And then we're going to blend it until we get a dough. Now we've mixed it until we have our dough, and as you can see it's nice and soft, but it isn't too soft that it's hard to shape. We're just going to take it out into a bowl, and we're going to take a little bit of oil and brush it on top. Then we're going to just knead it. As you can see, it's really nice and easy to handle. We're just going to cover it up and leave it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to prepare our stuffing, and for that we're going to mash our potatoes. Once you've mashed it, we're going to add in our dry fenugreek leaves, our amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, our ginger paste, our salt, our chili paste. You can also add in some chili flakes right now if you would like to make it more spicier. Onions, our cheese, and then we're just going to use our hands and mix it together. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. Then once you've mixed it together, we're going to add in our cumin seeds, sesame seeds and coriander seeds, which we've crushed. Then we're just going to mix them in. Once you've mixed everything, we're going to get our dough, as it's been around 15 minutes. And as you can see, the texture is really nice. So we're just going to give it a little knead. And then we're just going to take out a little piece of dough to make a ball. You can choose the size. We're just going to do a medium size. Then we're going to roll it into a ball shape. Once you've done that, just press it down a little bit, not too much to make it flat, just a little. And we're going to dust it in some dry flour. Then we're going to roll it out into a circle. Don't worry if you don't get it into a perfect circle, it won't really matter by the end of it. And once you've rolled it out, we're going to place a little bit of our filling inside and press it down a little bit to spread it around. Then we're going to take our 4 edges and just put them into the middle. We're going to use some water to attach it together. We don't want to be using too much water when we're doing this, otherwise it won't work properly. Then once you've done that, as you can see, we've got a rectangular shape. We're going to cover it in some dry flour again and roll it out. Make sure you don't roll it too flat, as we don't want the filling coming out when we're cooking it. Now that we've rolled it out, we're going to start cooking them. So we've got a heated pan and we're just going to place our aloo parathas on them. As you can see, we've got a slightly smaller size so we can fit 2 in. We're just going to let it cook for around 1 minute on a low to medium flame. It's been 1 minute, so we're just going to flip it over. Now we've got those little brown spots. Then we're going to let it cook on the other side for around 30 seconds. And we're just going to put on a little bit of oil onto this side of the parathas, so that when we flip it over again, it'll cook a bit faster. Then we're going to flip it over again. As you can see, it started cooking on this side. And we're going to just apply a little bit more oil on this side. As you can see, we've got some little brown spots as it started to cook. Then we're going to flip it over again. And then once you've cooked it on the other side, Then we're going to take it off into a plate. And then it's time for plating. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!